Thing's fucked. Doors are... I have a new Hess trucks, but this one is fucked up. Somebody screwed this the fuck up. Look how fucked up this is. Look how fucked. This thing is fucked. Thing's fucked. Doors are coming off. Thing's fucked. I'm mad. Things all fucked up. Sorry. I shouldn't be swearing. But it's the truth. Here's this dumb, broken truck that some kid broke. So my dad's gonna fix it. Probably get it up, get all the yellow off, and get tires on it because this kid fricked this up. It comes with a little hose that you could, I guess, pour water. No, it's stupid. Let me tell you, never buy one of these freaking antiques because your brother would probably break it. Dad, Mom, Dad, damn! I'm funny in my family a lot. Thing is all screwed up. Yeah, so this is about the collection. Bye. This thing sucks. Oops. Yeah, that's my Hess truck review.